Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Messenger Notes. Notes are new to Facebook Messenger. However, the function has already been available on Instagram for over a year. In addition to text messages, users can also add music, GIFs, and links to locations. However, the new Facebook function is initially limited to text only. To create a note in Facebook Messenger, first tap on the plus sign at the top left of your profile picture under Chats, or tap your profile in Messenger. A field will then appear that says Share a Thought. Create the desired note there. Then, click on Share at the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with your text, you can also delete the note. To do this, click on your note under Chats at the top left of your profile picture. Then, click on Delete Note. You can then confirm the process by clicking on Remove. You can also replace your note at any time. To do this, tap on it and then click on Create New Note. Not only your contacts can reply to your notes, you can also comment on other people's posts. To do this, click on the relevant text and write a reply. The message will then appear in the chat with the other person. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.